mangabe kuwukuthi by now sewazi ulwazi olungaka esulikhiphayo kodwa akushintshi lutho kweyakhe impilo inside or outside, yazi ukuthi iphutha likuwena, uwe onephutha. Now I told myself the same thing in 2022, 2023 when things were not playing out. I knew ukuthi I'm the one who is constantly doing mistakes. Mhlawumbe mistake iyona leyo ukuthi you want so much ukuthi ubone reality shintsha to the point ukuthi unalento ekuthiwa emotional attachment to an outcome, and mawune emotional attachment ke to an outcome, into eyenzekalayo mawungaliboni lolu shintsho olufunayo wena, you are creating the very same reality le othi uzama ukuyibalekela, because you are attached to the outside reality. So it dictates your emotional state. Should your person reality create your personality? So a feedback loop here, reality and personality. So you're not going anywhere. You keep replaying the same old you. So detach from the outcome basically. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingene lo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona, beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yeah, akudetach nje. Uma uke wafinyelela esigabeni la khona at peace whether things change or they do not, then you have mastered the art. Because uma ngabe uzoba attached kwi outcome, ube attached ekuthenini ufuna ukubona izinto zishintsha, iyakutesta ke universe ukuthi wena lo muntu othi uyena, wena at peace, wena we are this, wena we are that, lo muntu othi wena usuyena manje uyena ngempelani, yenza nje things just fall apart nje lapha kwakho, and then kufuneka ukubonakala I reaction yakho ukuthi izothini. And because the old you is just an entity, thought forms and thought patterns, you just react the same way. Yabo? But why things are happening this way, blah blah blah. In each and everything that is happening outside yourself, you just bring the old definition, old meaning. Yabo? Vele this, vele that, and all of those things. That is why I will invite you to this art of surrender. Was ukuthi every path is the right path. Was ukuthi define ukuthi kwenzakalana ngaphandle, outside yourself, but define wena ukuthi wena, who are you? Because kunama neurological networks are related to everything le engaphandle kwakho. So every time you see those things, those people, those places, those situations, you just replay the same program, because once ubona leyo nto, the same neurological networks, they are just activated, and then same emotional chemicals, obviously same reaction, yabo. So once wena wangavumela i-external reality ukuthi idictatele wena ukuthi yini emele ukuthi uyenze, kumele ukuthi ufile kanjani based on yona. Angithi phela izinto ungenza kanje ngazo. Ungazinikeza i-positive attention, noma uzinikeze i-negative attention, noma uzinikeze i-neutral attention. Yabo? So izinto wena uma ngabe uzinikeza i-negative attention, uthi no, lokhu angikufuni, lokhu angikufuni, lokhu, just because wena lokhu uthi awukufuni, i-focus yakho vele ikona. Manje ke impilo ke ne-universe ayinendaba ne-nature of imqondo wakho noma ipolarization ukuthi upolarize ngakuphi, but inendaba ne-content ukuthi wena lokho othi awukufuni ikona kanye okuzokwenzeka, because inendaba ne-content. Angikufuni ukuwa, angikufuni ukuba broke, angikufuni ukugula, angikufuni ukuboshwa, angifuni ingane zami zenze ukuthi awufuni. That is just a polarization nje to a different pole. Kodwa lokho okukhuluma ngakho othi wena akufuni, that is what actually you are thinking about. So that's what is going to happen. Yabo? But indaba lokho othi uyakufuna pho kona kungenzeki. Ilento ukuthi lokho othi uyakufuna kwenzeka lento engikhulume ngayo eqaleni ukuthi you become so attached ke kulokho othi wena uyakufuna to the point ukuthi mawuthestwa kungenzeki, playing games phela izinto kuvele wenzakaleni, uvele wena revert back to the old self, uvele wena ube why kungenzeki, u-attached kakhulu, yonke into oyifuna kakhulu kuba inkinga. Exercise and ekuthiwa i-art of surrender. I will invite you to do more of ama meditations. Isolution ke leyo ke enginikeza yona. Isolution leyo meditation. I-meditation ke angiphinde ngichaze, akusiyona eyokuthi ungacabangi, eyokuthi uzibone ube aware ukuthi uyacabanga, akukho real, yabo. Eyokuthi meditation uzibone ukuthi ngiyacabanga futhi sengicabanga kanje futhi sengifila kanje, ukuthi ube aware of that, bese ungaku-own lokho, ukiyeke kuphase. Ngoba mase usufila ngaleyo ndlela, into eyenzayo empilweni uhamba ufuna izathu ezizo-reaffirma le ndlela osowufila ngayo. Uhamba ufuna izathu, yabona nje umuntu ocikekile ubana so many things ezimcikayo, kulula nje ukuthi athi nawe uqhamuza ongicika ngokwakho nje ngivele ngiyicikekela. Why kungenzekanga something different? It's because ubona zonke izinto ezomcika vele ezizo-reaffirma ziphinde ziconfirme le ndlela yena asezizwa ngayo njengamanje, yabo. So that is why ke kuukuthi kubalulekile nje meditation, because uzokwazi ukuba aware ukuthi oh now this is how I feel, I don't need to own this, I don't need to own this, because now you are going to be reactional based on how you feel. Uma ngabe kuukuthi awuyenze meditation ube aware, njengoba wena ufana nolwandle, amagagasi they just keep rising and falling, rising and falling, yabo. Awukho zoku-owner, uzobona ukuthi oh konke lokho ama-tricks, oh sengifila kanje, why do I feel this way? Because certain thoughts are assigned to certain emotions. You think certain thoughts and then before you know it you feel a certain way. Once you feel a certain way, umqondo wakho uyagijima uyofuna something ezo-reaffirm ezohambisana manje nale ndlela leyo sowuzizwa ngayo, yabo. That is why abantu abaphila below i-poverty line, they see all reasons why kunjalo empilweni yabo. Bazokutshela ukuthi abantu bantshontsha imali kwi-state, bazokutshela ukuthi ibongo zabo zinje, bazokutshela all kinds of things ezingama-stumbling blocks empilweni zabo. Why? They just need to search outside. Umqondo yabo iyazisearchela yona by default. ARS, automatic reticular system, very shut down konke lokho kunye wena ongahambisani nakho nongekho kwi-state of being sakho. Activate lokho, also activate ukuthi ubone lokhu wena okuzokuhambisana nale ndlela ofila ngayo. Ngivele wena uzizwa helpless vele ukuthi wena uyadabukisa kunje this and that, then kumele ukuthi ARS ke ikuvezele zonke izinto ezokukhombisa ukuthi ya le ndlela ozizwa ngayo iqiniso. Kumele uthole abantu abazokuxhaphaza, kumele uthole zonke izinto lezi. Ya impilo nje vele ikhombisa izinto, confirmela izinto wena oyikholiwe nendlela ozizwa ngayo, state of being sakho. That's it.